Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online class. At first, teacher's information. I am Kamal Ahmad Jeskor Nawaz, assistant teacher, Bulana Shukadar Sundari Secondary School. My email number and cell phone here. Today's my class or subject English second paper grammar class 7 time 45 minutes. Look at the picture. Here, what do you see in the picture? Parts of machine. Look at the other picture. Parts of the body. Like head, ear, neck, nose, ear, eye, cheek, mouth, jaw, shoulder, elbow, chest, waist, leg, calf, ankle, foot, etc. etc. He is a bad student. There is a sentence. He is a bad student. Like, what is it? He is a bad student. And a sentence. Words or sentence or speech. Remember, words or sentence or speech. Can you tell today's lesson, my dear student? Yes, today's lesson is on parts of speech. Means path prakaran. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will be able, you will be able to definition of parts of speech, to classify the parts of speech, to give examples of the parts of speech. Listen to what I say and look in the blackboards. Parts of speech. The words which makes a sentence are called the parts of speech. Parts of speech means that. Can you tell me how many kinds of parts of speech? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Now we look parts of speech, every parts. Like noun means bisheshya, pronoun sarvanaam, adjective bisheshan, verb kriya, adverb क्रिया विशेषण, preposition অপয়, conjunction সংযোজনী অপয়, and last intersection আবেগসূচক. Now with definition of noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, a place, a thing is called a noun. Again, a noun is a word that refers to a person, a place, a thing is called a noun. Example হিসাবে we look some sentence. Kamal always speaks the truth. Bangladesh is our motherland. Tree is our big asset. The pen is mine. The word is bold. It is noun. Like Kamal, motherland, Bangladesh, tree, pen. Now, definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Like example, we can say I, we, they, it, he, she, our, you. As a sentence, she is beautiful. You are my student. Here, she, you is a pronoun. Definition of adjective. An adjective is a word that expresses the quality, number of a person or a thing is called adjective. Example, Monica is a good girl. He has 5 books. Another word, able, good, a smart, for is adjective. Now, definition of verb. A verb denotes an action done or says something about a person or a thing is called verb. Example, Kobe reads a book in the library. Mr. Sujit Roy teaches English in the class 8. Here reads, teaches are verb. Is verb. Definition of adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies an adjective, a verb or another adverb. He is always busy. Here slowly, always is adverb. Definition of preposition. Pre. Here we know pre means purbe, position means অবস্থান. So যে সব শব্দ নাউন প্রোনাউনের পূর্বে বসে এবং বাক্যের অর্থ আরো শ্রুতিমধুর করে সেটা মূলত প্রিপোজিশন. In, on, of, into, with, without, to, for, at, by, after, under, from, over, down, towards, etc. is preposition. The cow lives on grass. Here one. I am waiting for you. Therefore is a preposition. Definition of conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join word, phrase and sentence. Here and, but, or, yet, so, otherwise, still, nevertheless, such, either or, neither not, etc. Study hard or you will fail, do or die. Here or is conjunction. Definition of interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feelings or emotion. Here, alas, hooray, oh, fight, ah, fish, hush, bravo, etc. Here, alas, I am undone. Here, bravo, you have done the wall. Alas, bravo is super example for interjection. Now we can do pair work. for 5 minutes. How many parts of speech are there? Write down their name, please.
লাইটের সামনে যদি থাকে সমস্যা এইগুলো লাইট তোমার বডিটা সহ হবে আরো সামনে লাইটের ভিতরে থাকবে বলবার পিছাবে আবার আঁকবা আবার পিছাবে
Yes, there are 8 parts of speech. Now we can group work for 6 minutes. Write down 5 examples of noun, adjective and verb. Now we can evaluation for this subject for 3 minutes. How many parts of speech are there? Right, you are right, 8. Thank you. Number 2, what is noun? Naming what? Correct. You are correct. Also correct. Number 3, what is heard of a sentence? Number 3, answer verb. So excellent. Thank you. What kind of words is plural? Oh, fine. Intersection. Intersection. Thank you. Now, I shall give you homework. Please put it in your khata. Please write a list of 5 words for this part of speech. No more today. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everybody.